Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2025 BMW X7. Trust me, this is not just another SUV, it's a statement on wheels. Let's start with the xDrive 40i, the entry-level model, but don't let that fool you. It comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged cylinder engine that pumps out an impressive 375 horsepower. That's enough to get this 5,400-pound beast from 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds. Plus, BMW has really nailed the balance between performance and comfort, with its standard 2-axle air suspension providing a smooth ride no matter where you go. But for those who crave even more power, we have the M60i model. It features a 523 horsepower V8 engine that will launch you to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. And with rear-wheel steering and adaptive air suspension, handling a vehicle this size has never been more fun. If you love speed and luxury, this might be your dream ride. And for the top-tier experience, meet the Alpina XB7. With 631 horsepower, it's the most powerful of the bunch, doing 0 to 60 in a blistering 4 seconds flat. The luxury here is off the charts, from the 23-inch wheels to the Bowers Wilkins sound system that makes every drive feel like a concert. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this breakdown, and don't forget to leave a comment below on which feature excites you the most. We're constantly dropping new content, so stay tuned. Now, let's talk about the interior. The cabin is pure luxury, plenty of room for up to 7 passengers. Or you can opt for the second-row captain's chairs if you prefer a 6-seat layout. You'll love the panoramic glass roof, which gives the cabin a spacious, airy feel. And don't even get me started on the tech. BMW's latest curved display spans across the dashboard with a stunning 4.9-inch touchscreen featuring BMW's operating system 8.5 for seamless control. This car even helps you park. The driving assistance package includes surround view cameras, and you can activate the highway assistant for hands-free driving up to 85 mph. So whether you're looking for power, luxury, or cutting-edge tech, the 2025 BMW X7 has something for everyone. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.